So this is how you can use sliding blocks in Block Blast. If you don't know what I mean, just keep watching and I'm gonna teach you. So this is the normal, usual blocks that we see on Block Blast. These blocks that you place like Tetris and that you can just keep on placing until you get the highest scores. How do you get those so-called sliding blocks? Well, I am gonna show you in right now. So, let's say you're playing a casual game by yourself and you just want to switch to another game mode. Tap on settings at the top right and tap on more games. You're gonna want to tap on the start right next to it, and here we are. Like I said, it's sliding blocks, and you get points by simply sliding them and just making sure that you solve a line, like so. I just solved one, and right now I'm about to solve another, and there you go. It's just gonna keep stacking and stacking, and it's actually quite relaxing and fascinating. So you're just gonna have to keep on doing these slides until you get more scores. It's basically just Block Blast with a different mechanic, but it's still pretty fun. So I do suggest trying this, maybe just even once, if you get a bit tired of the normal usual Block Blast. So there you go. I'm gonna keep scoring points so that I can get the maximum amount or the most I can get. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to this. I'm just gonna keep on doing this until I can, and that is where I'm going to stop the video. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.